Hello everyone and welcome in today's video. In today's video, we will be roasting Cameroonian barfish. Guys, do not argue with me. No other country does roasted fish like the Cameroonian. If you doubt me, go to any person that roasts fish, buy it, taste it, come back and testify. Let's continue, guys. So what we'll be using today is barfish. You have to clean it, remove all the scales, make sure it is thoroughly clean. After that, score the fish. When you score the fish, allow water to drain, go in with your salt. Use any color salt of your choice. Next, go in with seasoning. I am not advertising this seasoning, but if the company wants to work with me, I am open. Season it very well. I want to say thank you for always watching my video if you are an old subscriber. And if you are new here, I want to say welcome. Welcome on board. And if you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. You will not regret it. So after marinating your fish, you have to still keep it. Let it be draining. And I'll go in with my spices. That is Oziza seeds. Just a little bit of Oziza seeds. Ginseng. That is my garlic. And this is my ginger. I like to use fresh spices. You can also use powder spices. But me and my household, we mostly use fresh spices for our roasted fish. Now I will go in with the parsley. Use any fresh spices you are comfortable with. And the next spices I would like to blend the parsley with will be celery. So I'm just prepping my celery. Guys, I want to know in the comment section, have you ever eaten Cameroonian roasted fish? Do you roast fish in your house? And let me know, what ingredients do you use in your own roasted fish? Let us know, what type of fish do you use for your roasted fish? I'm just adding my black pepper to the spices. Now is white pepper, optional. I will go in with seasoning. Next, salt. You can use green, red, yellow salt. It depends on you, your choice. We will close it and blend it. Look at the color, guys. Just look. Just look at the color. Is the green for me? What is the meaning of green? Let me know in the comment section. Guys, that color means a lot. So in my roasted pan, I have to cover it with a foil paper. After that, I'll bring in my marinade and generously, I mean generously, with no economy, rub enough of the spices into the fish everywhere. Guys, watch. Let me know in the comment section, is that how you do yours? Guys, we are done marinating the fish or rubbing the spices, and we are putting it in the oven for about 45 minutes. While the fishing is fishing, while the cooking is cooking, we'll go ahead and we will clean our sink. Guys, you all know that cleanliness is next to holiness. It's advisable to clean as you go when you are cooking. Continue to watch, guys. So our spices that we blended, you can see that brown thing is seasoning, and I'll add a little bit of oil. Use any vegetable oil of your choice. This, I'm just using olive oil. Okay, look at the color, guys. Just look at the color. Look at the color. So we'll take it to the microwave and microwave it for about 1 to 2 minutes. So what we'll be eating the fish with is ripe plantains. You can eat it with bobolo. You can eat it with munyondo. You can eat it with green plantains, fries, fried Irish potatoes, fried ripe plantains. But today we decided that we'll be eating these plantains roasted with the roasted fish. Guys, look at how they married now. Roasted plantains and roasted fish. I bet you want to try. Whoosh. Let's continue, guys. Let me know in the comment section, is this how you do yours? What do you want to see next in this channel? What recipe do you want? Abi, do you want us to cook or you want nursing? Let me know. So I will go into my trash pan with another clean plastic. Guys, continue to watch. So, guys, what is roasted fish without onion? Do you eat your roasted fish with onion or no onion? I want to see your comments in the comment section. As for me and my house, we can't eat roasted fish without onion. And that is why I am dicing onion. You're supposed to make it in a very, very thin slices. Because my knife is not sharp enough, this is the smallest thin slices I could obtain. Continue to watch, guys, as the onion is slicing. Put it in my bowl. After slicing the onion, the onion that I have in the bowl is not enough. I'll go ahead and add more. Do you like enough onion with your fish or little or no onion? I like a lot. I mean a lot. Continue to watch, guys. So our green spices is ready and we are taking it off the microwave. Look at the color, guys. It has not changed. The color is coloring and the cooking is cooking. Now we'll go in with our onion for about 1 minute. The reason is just to soften the onion, okay? It's better eating when it is a little bit soft with the fish, not raw, like raw. We need to stir our green spices in order to ensure a homogeneous mixture of the salt, the seasoning. And that is what is going or is happening here. And to this video today, I have not forgotten a shout out. The shout out for today goes to Onion. Guys, if you see Onion, say congratulations. Even if you don't see her, please tell her congratulations in the comment section. Onion, thank you for always watching my video. Thank you for always supporting me in your own little way in which you can. So the top of the fish is ready, but it's dry. And that is why you saw me, or you are seeing me, adding some marinades. After adding the marinade, we need to turn the fish to the other side. When you turn it, add more marinade. Do not be afraid, guys. Add it. Add enough, like enough. Be generous. So close it after marinating the other side. Just waiting for it to get ready. Guys, the best, juiciest bar fish in the whole wide world. Only the house is smelling wonderful. It's ready, but it's dry, so I'm just going in with more marinade, guys. Add as much as you can. That spice was made for that fish, so add more than enough. Guys, the fish is ready. Guys, the fish is ready. It is ready, guys. I'm just adding more spices. I'm just adding more green spices. You have to marinate it so well. Cover everything with the green spices so that it can go to the bones, to the head, to the eyes, everything. So yummy. So I'll put it on my plate while being very careful not to break it. We just have to be careful. Just be careful. So the onion that we chopped earlier, we will add a little bit on it. Sister, add more onion, more onion. Add it. Good girl. Add onion according to your taste. And now I will go in with the green spices. I will go in with the green spices. Put any quantity you want. Any quantity. This is my pepper sauce that I made some days ago. I will add a little bit to on the tray, on my fish tray. Do you like yours with pepper or not? Do you eat pepper with the fish? Let me know, guys, in the comment section. Let me know how you guys do yours. You have watched mine. I would like to know the way you do yours as well. And this is the fish. It is ready. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you all in my next video. Let me know, guys, what you want to see next in this channel. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. I hope you were blessed with this recipe. If you want to see more of a recipe like this, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all. I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.